Welcome to this congratulations card tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this card. Here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. All of the specific items and colors that I chose to use will be linked in the description box below. The first step is to take your pencil and base paper for your card and draw out the design. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. I ended up using my ruler just to make a couple straight lines to make sure that my lettering was as straight as possible. Next, once you're happy with your design and it's all drawn out in pencil, switch over to your thin black pen and start outlining everything. Here I'm using a Faber-Castell pen in size S, which is a really nice thin pen. However, any black thin pen that you have laying around will work. Once you have everything outlined in black, the next and final step of the card is to simply color everything in. I chose to use kind of a magenta purple color and then gray. However, a really easy way to customize this design would be to simply change the pen colors that you're using. So I started with this kind of pink, purple, magenta color, and I simply colored in a few select kind of boxes of the letters, trying to make sure that the pink was not adjacent to each other on kind of letters that were next to each other. And then once I'd finished with the pink color, I switched over to my gray pen and I just colored in any of the remaining kind of spaces left on the lettering. Once I'd finished color everything in, I decided that a few final touch-ups were needed, so I went back in with my thin black pen and simply outlined a few of the letters a little bit more to make that black line a little bit perhaps straighter or bolder. And then I also too went in with an eraser and just erased any of the remaining pencil lines that were still visible on the card. And once you've done any final touch-ups, this modern congratulations card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. Thanks so much for watching.